हाय एवरीवन, आज के इस लेसन में हम सीखने वाले हैं 30 सेंटेंसेस विद प्रेपोजिशंस। प्रेपोजिशंस वो वर्ड्स होते हैं जो पोजीशन की जगह इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं, जैसे कि अंडर, अप, डाउन, आउट। तो अगर आप हमारे चैनल इब्राहिम टीवी इंग्लिश पर नए हैं तो हमारे चैनल को कर लीजिए सब्सक्राइब और बेल नोटिफिकेशन के बटन को भी प्रेस कीजिए ताकि आप हमारी कोई भी वीडियो मिस न कर सकें। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं अपना आज का लेसन। 30 सेंटेंसेस विद prepositions। Besides, it's still early for me. Between, my home is between library and bank. Beside, the napkin is placed beside the plate. Across, her house is across the street. Beyond, Barcelona Football Club's success is beyond question. Over, the window is over the radiator. But we are very hungry, but the fridge is empty. Below, your grade is below average. By, I always goes to work by train. Except, nobody came the party except George and Alex. Put a period after each sentence. 4. Is this coffee too hot for you? From. Where are you from? Hence. We travel hence tomorrow to France. Outside. There is a bird's nest outside my window. Through. The bird flew through the open window. Without. I feel sad without you. About. They have a discussion about football. Above. A plane is flying above the village. Abroad. Mary went abroad. Ago. She came back school a while ago. I live in London. In accordance with the doctor, she is very ill. In addition to his car, he has a jeep. Into, go into her room and take wallet. Like, she is very clever like me. Against, his bicycle was leaning against the fence. Near, I live near the sea. Next, the two teams play volleyball the next day. Next to, my wallet is next to pen. तो दोस्तों ये था आज का हमारा लेसन। उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। आपसे मिलेंगे अगली नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।